समर्स का टाइम चल रहा है and an organized and spacious fridge की ज़रूरत is more than ever. Don't we all stock up our fridge with fresh vegetables and fruits and a zillion other things? पर जब भी कुछ ढूंढने के लिए जाते हैं, we rarely find what we need. इसलिए fridge organization is a necessity. इस वीडियो पर we will share with you 9 fridge organizing products that will help you to save space inside your fridge and will also keep your vegetables and meals fresh for a longer time. If you want to buy any of these products, the link will be in the description there right below. Hi, this is Umayma Malbari from Girls Buzz. In our channel, we share videos about everything that matters in a woman's life. Subscribe to us and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Our first product for the day is this Solimo fridge organizer set. A set of 4 organizers has only cost me rupees 249. All 4 storage racks come in different colors and it's made of food grade plastic. इसको आप अदरक, लहसुन, मिर्ची और मटर जैसे आइटम्स के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. Also, this one has a smart slide design. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, ये ट्रेस को आप इजीली फ्रिज सरफेस में अटैच कर सकते हैं. जब भी आपको कुछ चाहिए, simply slide it out. Saves you a lot of space and makes your fridge look pretty as well. Don't you agree? No doubt it will be my favorite purchase for a long time. Next, we have these eco-friendly mesh and net bags. These Ziploc bags work wonders when it comes to compartmentalizing your vegetable chamber. I got a pack of 6 for only 199 rupees. ये bags आपके usual plastic bags से better है. And the best part is that these bags are reusable. All it needs is a good wash before you reorganize your fridge again. I am also satisfied with the quality of this bag. Bags के sizes भी proper है, तो आप इसको बेफिक्र ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. But अगर आप ये zip bags को directly vegetable compartment पर रख देंगे, there is a chance that your fridge will get messy again. And you have to also make sure that every time these vegetables एक दूसरे के ऊपर दब के खराब ना हो. इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए we have our next product, food storage organizer boxes. These organizer boxes also come with 3 little bins inside and its price is only 249 rupees. Let me share with you how you can make most use of this product. पहले let's talk about these smaller bins here. इन बिन्स को आप अपने वेजिटेबल चेंबर पर प्लेस कर सकते हैं. नाउ यू कैन स्टोर ऑल योर वेजीज हियर. एज यू कैन सी इट क्रिएट्स सेक्शंस इनसाइड योर चेंबर. आप इधर ऑल्टरनेटिवली अपने मेश बैग्स को भी प्लेस कर सकते हैं सो दैट द बैग्स डोंट गेट मिक्स्ड अप. नाउ यू कैन इजीली एक्सेस ऑल योर वेजिटेबल्स व्हाइल कुकिंग. बट व्हाट टू डू विद दिस अदर बॉक्स? वेल, you can store all your bulkier veggies here. Also, this box has a lid in it. तो अगर आप ऑलरेडी चॉप्ड वेजिटेबल्स को स्टोर करना चाहते हैं तो दिस इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. द लिड हियर विल प्रिवेंट देम फ्रॉम ड्राइंग. यू कैन प्लेस इट इनसाइड एनीवेयर इन द फ्रिज. द हैंडल्स मेक इट सुपर इजी टू मूव दिस बॉक्स. बिलीव मी, यू विल नेवर रिग्रेट दिस परचेस. नेक्स्ट, वी हैव दिस प्लास्टिक बटर कीपर. बटर को बार बार पैकेट से निकालना मुश्किल हो जाता है एंड यू कैन नॉट इवन स्लाइस द बटर प्रॉपर्ली. The worst part is that butter absorbs odors from its surroundings really fast. इसलिए I think this butter keeper is a must buy. This is available for 199 rupees only. This plastic butter dish comes with a lid so that the butter stays well protected from the other smells and flavors in your fridge. Also, it is big enough to store 500 grams of butter. इस प्रोडक्ट के साथ बटर ऑलवेज स्टेज रेडी टू यूज. हमारा अगला प्रोडक्ट है ये लॉक एंड फ्रेश प्लास्टिक स्टोरेज कंटेनर. दिस ट्रांसपेरेंट एयरटाइट कंटेनर इज समथिंग एवरी फ्रिज नीड्स. Moreover, it's the best alternative to the round bowls that often waste so much space inside our fridges. The price of this container is only 150 rupees. क्या आप भी उन लोगों में से हैं जो अपने स्पाइसेस को फ्रिज पर रखते हैं? Then you really need this product. Spices की strong smell फ्रिज के अंदर easily circulate होती है, जिससे आपके फ्रिज के बाकी प्रोडक्ट्स जैसे कि स्वीट्स, मिल्क या बटर स्मेल करने लगते हैं. That is why it's very important to keep spices in an airtight container. This organizer can also be used to store your chopped vegetables to keep them fresh longer. It is extremely spacious and a good quality as well. Next up, we have the glass bottle. ये glass bottle को आप juices, milk या buttermilk रखने के लिए use कर सकते हैं. This bottle can store up to 1 liter and its price is 279 rupees only. Summers पर हम juices को chill करने के लिए उन्हें fridge पर store करते हैं, पर आपके regular jars rarely fridge के अंदर fit होते हैं. Even when you use vessels for this, milk और juices spill होने के chances ज़्यादा रहते हैं. Oh, and then the whole cleaning routine again. That's why I find this jar super convenient. It's not only perfect for your fridge storage, but it also helps you to pour juices and milks with ease. Moreover, this one also has a handle for convenient use. Let's move to our next product, that is the egg storage box. अगर आपके फ्रिज में eggs रखने के लिए tray ना हो, then you can buy this egg storage box. Its price is 94 rupees only, and you can store up to 6 eggs here. This one also has a lid above. If your fridge has too many products, this will keep your eggs safe. The quality of this product is really good and you can also lock and seal it. Next, we have these airtight fridge storage boxes. This is a set of 3 plastic containers that are only available for 209 rupees. ये 3 containers अलग-अलग sizes में आते हैं. It is made of food grade plastic and it is highly durable. The foul smells in your fridge is an issue we all want to get rid of. These airtight containers work the best when it comes to preventing that. If you have some items in your fridge with a strong smell, you can store and seal them inside these bins. इधर आप अपने cooked food, chopped vegetables या फिर batter भी store कर सकते हैं. It makes it really easy to freeze meals. This last product is a refrigerator drawer mat. I found this pack of 6 mats for only 184 rupees. These mats are waterproof and also stain resistant. These multicolored mats are really helpful when you need to clean your fridge. It's always easier to wash these mats than to open and wash all those fridge shelves. और इससे आपके फ्रिज के शेल्फ्स पर स्क्रैच भी नहीं आएगा. If you too are buying fridge mats, make sure to buy lighter colors like these and buy something transparent. This won't bother with the visibility inside your fridge. If you think this video will help you to get your fridge organized perfectly and make use of all its space, then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video.